Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem, here how to find complex power, apparent power, real power and react power. So whenever RMS voltage and RMS current was given, then how can you find these four properties? We will know that, so whenever if you find complex power, so from that complex power we can easily find apparent power, real power and react power very easily. Now how can you find the complex power? So complex power as it was written with as VRMS into IRMS conjugate. So for the RMS current going to apply conjugate because here we have phases are there. That's equal to a VRMS is right as it is, that is 220 with phase angle 30 degrees. And IRMS conjugate, here we want conjugate. Conjugate means keep amplitude as it is, that is 0.5 and phase angle will be minus 60, that is angle minus 60. Now here how can we simplify it? So we know that, so magnitude A1 having phase angle theta 1 was going to product with another complex number having magnitude A2 and phase angle theta 2. At the time product the amplitudes, that is A1 into A2, here going to multiply it. So at the time add these two angles, that is angle of theta 1 plus theta 2. So this is the resultant form. By applying this property here, we will get 220 into 0.5 angle 30 plus minus 60. It becomes 110 angle of minus 30. So this is complex power. Convert this complex number power into complex number, that is this is magnitude and this is phase angle. So A into cos of theta plus I sin theta. So this is the conversion from phasor form to complex form. So A is 110, so 110 into cos of theta is minus 30 plus I sin of minus 30. In some books in the place of phi they represent J. So I or J not defines as complex number. So by simplifying this we will get 95.26 minus J 55. VA is the units. So VA means volt ampere, the units for complex power. So this is the complex power in phasor form and complex power in complex form. So here the amplitude is 110. So this 110 represents apparent power. So from complex power we can easily find apparent power, real power and react power. How means complex power is nothing but amplitude. So 110 is the apparent power. Next real power. So real power nothing but the real part of complex number, that is 95.26, and reactive power. So it is the imaginary part, that is minus 55. Here the complex power have units volt ampere. So apparent power also having units volt ampere and real power having units watts and reactive power having var. So these are the units for corresponding powers. So and this is the process of simplification for getting complex power, apparent power, real power and reactive power. So whenever RMS voltage and RMS current was given, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.